How to fix WhatsApp cannot open PDF file. This tutorial covers the quickest fixes to get your PDFs opening properly again. First, open the PDF file in WhatsApp and check if you have a PDF Viewer app installed on your device, since WhatsApp relies on a separate app to open the file. If you don't have one, open the Play Store, search for a PDF Reader app like Adobe Acrobat, and install it. After that, go back to WhatsApp and try opening the file again. If it still won't open, long press the WhatsApp app icon from your home screen or app drawer and tap App Info. At this point, tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be blocking the file from opening. Following this, reopen WhatsApp and try the PDF once more. If the issue continues, the file itself may be corrupted or too large, so ask the sender to resend it or try downloading it again. That's how you fix the WhatsApp cannot open PDF file issue. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!